So one of the perks of making YouTube videos like this, whether it's long form or short form, is that loads of brands reach out to you to send you free gear to test out and potentially feature on your channel. Not all of these products make it into a video, but sometimes there's some products that are so good that they end up replacing the ones that I was using before, or I start using them all the time. And so here are some of the products that have been sent to me by brands that I actually still use. And with today being Prime Day, if I have any deals or coupon codes that will end up saving you even more money, I'll be sure to leave them down in the description. There are quite a few of them, so make sure to check the description. Let's get into it. So the first one is a product that I didn't really expect much of, but ended up really impressing me that it's earned a permanent spot on my desk. It's the P1 Pro Studio audio interface from Mayono. I don't really know how to pronounce the name, but I think it's Mayono, but that's besides the point. The P1 has 70 dB of clean gain. That means it can drive even the most gain-hungry mics like the Shure SM7B. And that alone would have been enough for me, but it doesn't end there, because if you use condenser mics like my pencil condenser shotgun microphone that I have here, the P1 also supports 48 volt phantom power, so you can power your condenser microphones with no issues whatsoever. I've actually used it with my pencil condenser microphone before, and it sounded really good. And this thing gives you even more functionality that not a lot of audio interfaces give you, which is gain knobs for everything. This thing has a gain knob for the microphone input, the instrument input, the camera out, which I'll explain in a little bit, and the headphone out. So you can control how much gain comes in and goes everywhere. And not just that, but you can press each and every one of these gain knobs to mute the corresponding inputs or outputs. Not a lot of audio interfaces give you that. So like I said, this thing has mic and line inputs, instrument inputs, monitor outputs, and 2 USB-C ports that you can actually use to send audio to 2 devices simultaneously. That comes in really handy for gamers if you want to send voice to both your gaming and streaming PC. You can do that with the P1. Again, not a lot of audio interfaces give you that. And by far my favorite feature on this is that camera out port that you can use to send balanced line audio from this straight into your camera with its own gain knob, so you can control just how much gain you want to send to camera. That is impressive. The only other budget audio interface that I know that does that doesn't have the gain knob for it, and it doesn't have instrument input. So basically you get so many features with this that you don't get with any other audio interface in this price point. If you can't tell already, the Mayono P1 really impressed me. But I guess everything comes with a downside, so basically the only minor downside with this is that the software that is available for it, which is the Pro Studio 2 from Mayono, only comes in the Windows version, so there isn't support for macOS just yet. But don't worry, you don't necessarily need it for anything, because all the major functionality that I've mentioned is built into the audio interface itself. So you don't necessarily need it, but it will be handy if we had it. So yeah, the P1 definitely wins in my opinion at this price point, and if you catch the Prime Week deals, you can get 20% off with a code in the description. Okay, so the next 2 products are both from ESR, and the first one is this. This is the ESR Cryo Boost foldable 3-in-1 charger, and this wireless charger is impressive in so many ways. First, let's talk about the Cryo Boost in the name, because it solves one of the biggest problems with wireless charging, which is heat. And it does that by adding 2 cooling fans, one here and the other right here behind both wireless charging pads. And that makes sure that charging doesn't slow down because of overheating. And so if you flip that, you can see that there's an Apple Watch charger, an AirPods charger for your AirPods, and a MagSafe charger for your phone. So basically that's where the 3-in-1 in the name comes from. You can charge 3 devices at once without any of them overheating. And it's foldable, so I can pack it into a very small profile and even pop it in my pocket when traveling. I never travel without this, because before this I had to pack 3 separate chargers for my iPhone, my iPad, and my AirPods. So basically this solves that for me. I don't use an Apple Watch, so I can bring one 60 watt or 100 watt dual plug that will charge this and my iPad and even my laptop at the same time. And the other thing that ESR sent me that I actually use every single day now is this. This is the Geo Series MagSafe wallet stand, and the stand in the name comes from it being able to do that. So you can stand your phone like this and scroll on TikTok or do whatever you do on your phone, and then when you're done you just close it up like that. And you can also use this finger loop over here to hold your phone, and the magnet is very strong so it's not gonna fold. I just put my finger in there, and this is how I use it when I'm tired or don't want to hold my phone. So I put my finger in there and I can scroll to my heart's content. The middle sleeve here is where my ID goes, and then my main cards go over here, so I can push them up like that and then just pull them out. This thing can hold up to 3 cards and it's RFID shielded, so no one is going to be able to steal your money. And if I end up losing it, this thing is Apple Find My trackable, so I can locate it on my phone, and boy does that give me peace of mind. And the Apple Find My support is built in into the back here, so it's not like a bulky AirTag attachment that you have to attach to it. I genuinely can't recommend this wallet enough. I do actually have a 25% discount code for all products on ESR's website, so I'll be sure to leave that down in the description. Alright, so next is another device that replaced the drive that I edit all of my videos on, and it's the Oracle X50 Thunderbolt 5 compatible M.2 NVMe enclosure. I'll be honest, I genuinely didn't realize how fast Thunderbolt 5 enclosures were versus Thunderbolt 4 before I received this enclosure from Oracle. I already have a video on the channel about this enclosure that you can watch after this video, so I'm not really gonna get into the details, but with read speeds of around 5,800 megabytes per second, this thing is faster than my M4 Pro Mac Mini's internal SSD. That's impressive for an external SSD, and I'm pretty sure there'll be some Prime Day deals for these, so I'll be sure to link them down in the description with some other more budget-friendly alternatives as well. And finally, this is the M10 10,000 mAh multi-charging power bank from Illumi. And honestly, I don't leave the house without this. Genuinely. Because not only does it charge my phone via MagSafe at 15 watts, but it also charges my iPad at 35 watts via this attached USB-C cable that also doubles as a handy carry strap. And it can also wirelessly charge an Apple Watch at the same time at 2.5 watts. This is really the best power bank I've ever used, and it combines both form and function, because even the build is pretty unique with a brushed aluminum finish, both on the front and back. Illumi also sent out the G09 Infinite Magnetic Stand with 3-axis rotation. And as you can see, this thing is permanently glued to my iPad mini when I want to consume media either horizontally or even vertically on a table to watch movies or YouTube videos. This thing comes in clutch, and the hinges are very strong, so it's not falling by itself or anything. In fact, this is what I have here right now reading my script off of. Honestly, I'm very grateful to you guys for watching these videos and engaging with them and allowing me to live my dreams, for brands like these to trust me enough to send me all of these products to test out and review on the channel, and I'm really grateful for that. And thanks also to the brands that were featured in this video for trusting me and sending me all of these products. And so if any brands want to be featured in the next iteration of this video, hit me up, and if I actually end up using your product, it may be featured in a future video. No promises though. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.